In March, when I was in Gaza, I met a patient who was a physician. He had been working in the hospital when the Israeli military initially bombarded the hospital. Then they entered the hospital, instructed all the patients and the staff to leave. My patient insisted that he needed to stay behind to care for his patients, many of whom couldn't leave. He was then told to strip naked at gunpoint, then held at gunpoint for hours and, in fact, for 2 entire days. He was only allowed to urinate and to defecate on the floor where he stood. He wasn't allowed to access his medications, including his own insulin to treat his diabetes. Eventually, the Israeli military instructed him to care for his patients, who remained there, some of them, but they didn't allow him to dress before they did this, and they laughed because all of his patients were children. This man was so traumatized, I honestly can't imagine him ever practicing medicine again. I am an eyewitness, Gaza. Israel is committing genocide, while our leaders remain impotent to act in any meaningful way.